Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. I'm currently recovering from a cold, but I wanted to do a comprehensive review of BarkBox. So I got BarkBox back in May for my dog, who's a Yorkie. His name is Max, and I've had the subscription for 6 to 7 months. So I do have an unboxing video for the May one. I will link that up in the cards right here if you haven't seen it. And then for the others, I just recorded footage and I just stored it away for a time like this. Overall, I definitely feel like the BarkBox subscription service is worth it. I think it's adorable. It's a great thing for your dog. It's something to look forward to every month. Every box has a theme that kind of correlates with the season or the events, the holidays, so it's really, really cute in that aspect. You get a good amount of toys and treats. For me personally, I was looking for something that comes with toys. That's generally what Max likes. I don't like to give my dog too many treats. He has some allergies and like food sensitivity to certain ingredients, which what's nice about BarkBox is if you check that off on the online profile, they will adjust the materials or the ingredients or the goodies that come in your box accordingly. I didn't bother to do that because at the time I wasn't really thinking about it, which is not something that I'm holding against BarkBox, because even if everything that came in the box was something that Max could eat without getting an allergic reaction, I just don't like to give Max that many treats. Inevitably, it kind of tends to pile up. The first box that I ever had, I did give him most of the treats in that, but it just adds up. Like every month having like 3 or 4 bags of like goodies, which is fine. It's not a big deal. I tend to give these to my friends and stuff, people who I know have dogs, and they're gonna really enjoy it. It's nice. It's a really great subscription service. It's excellent as a gift. I think this is the kind of gift that keeps on giving. You know, when you give someone a gift who has a dog or something, like it's like a one-time thing, but with the subscription service, it's something that they're gonna be able to, you know, look forward to every month depending on what length of subscription you choose. So they have the 1 month, they have the 6 month, they have the 1 year. The more months you choose, the more money you kind of save. So the toys are super cute. This is a pumpkin spice latte, and this one came in the newest box, and it's adorable. I really love these toys. They're really good quality, and Max has a box of them. Max tends to like destroy toys very, very easily. All of these BarkBox toys have really held up really, really nicely, and they all have like that squeaky stuff that dogs really love. So yeah, those are my overall thoughts. The only reason I'm not going to be renewing is just because, honestly, you guys, I am a broke college student that is desperately trying to live on a budget here. I mean, I definitely see myself renewing it sometime later in the future, but I am gonna miss like the themes of these boxes because there's so much attention to detail, even with like the actual packaging and the little contests that they have and stuff. It's really, really cute. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have BarkBox for your pets. I will see you guys very soon with another video. There's an airplane flying by as usual. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.